You must have read the title and got really confused, haven't you? But the title is true. You can make money online by legally stealing, and I will teach you exactly how to do that in this video. Before we get to the method, let me take you to some of the extremely well-performing channels. For example, let's look at TechSpace. This channel within a year has amassed 200,000 subscribers, and this is their most viewed video. And I'm here to tell you, you can create a channel just like this and make money on YouTube. But you must be asking in your mind, well, I know nothing about space or Sahara Desert at all. You don't have to worry. You don't have to become an expert in the subject to make videos on it. You just have to know how to use Google. So, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The whole problem with making these kind of videos is the steep challenge of writing content for this highly technical, sophisticated videos. But if you look closely, there are plenty of stock footages used and images used here, so I'm going to assume it's the easier part. But how do we write about these topics? That's where Google comes in. So as you watch the video, I want you guys to try this out with me. Type Google Advanced Search and click the first link. This opens up Google's advanced search. Let's say you want to create content on space. Type in the search box, space. Also, if there are two words, make sure to use quotation mark as shown in the video. Now, here's the secret. Scroll down until you see usage rights. Click on it and you will see multiple options. Click on free to use even commercially and hit the search button. There are so many articles on space that show up. For example, if you open this website, you will see a bunch of topics and they are all Creative Commons. That means you can reuse this article for any of your videos without having to worry about getting copyright striked. All you have to do is link their article in your description. Here's a free website that I found using the search method. This is a horror website and the link to it in the description below. If you scroll down, you will see that the article is Creative Commons, which means that you can reuse it without having to worry about copyright strike. Anyone fancy a new horror channel? You can get started here. What I recommend is to take a day and use this method to research websites, which can give you a whole lot of articles for Creative Commons use, and you can start narrating these articles using simple stock videos and images found on Google and become the next TechSpace channel. I have a complete course on how to make it big on YouTube, the lazy way. If you are interested, check out the link in the bio, and make sure to subscribe to the channel because I will post more free tips and tricks to make your money-making journey easier.